Not every heartbreak ends with goodbye. Some continue quietly for 10 long years. 10 years later, 2019 is a slow burn romantic melodrama that mixes friendship, missed timings, emotional misunderstandings, career struggles, and mature love. The drama follows a group of university friends whose relationships evolve painfully over the 10 years. It is adapted from the Japanese manga Ashunaro Hakusho and is also connected to the earlier Asian adaptations. Unlike the flashy romantic dramas that rely on fancy tropes and exaggerated comedy, 10 Years Late focuses on realism, emotional hesitation, regret, timing, and the fear of loving someone too deeply. The drama is emotional, mature, and sometimes quite frustrating, but that frustration is exactly what makes it feels authentic. The story begins during the university years where a close group of friends forms deep emotional bonds. At the center are Jinran, intelligent, emotionally reserved, proud, and deeply in love with Yuan Lei. Yuan Lei, independent, stubborn, emotional, and unwilling to forgive easily. Cheng Zi, the gentle second main lead whose quiet devotion creates one of the drama's strongest emotional conflicts. They're friends who experience career struggles, betrayal, marriage issues, and personal growth. The drama's title reflects its biggest theme. Some people realize their true feelings too late. Love exists, but misunderstandings, ego, and bad timing repeatedly destroy all the opportunities. The relationship between Jinran and Jeonli is not smooth romance. Instead, it's filled with emotional distance, unresolved wounds, jealousy, career pressure, and years of separation. Over the course of 10 years, both characters repeatedly hurt each other while still remaining emotionally connected. The beginning of love. The first phase of the drama shows youthful friendship and hidden affection. Jinran falls for Yeonli early, but he struggles to express himself honestly. Yeonli also cares for him, yet both are immature and proud. The university friend group feels warm and believable. The scenes are important because they establish the emotional chemistry, future regrets, and the sense that life slowly pulls everyone together and apart sometimes. One of the strongest aspects here is how natural the interactions feel. Instead of exaggerated romance, the drama focuses on small glances, awkward silence, accidental jealousy, and emotional hesitation. This realism gives the romance emotional weight later in the drama. The turning point comes when misunderstanding their life choices separate Jinran and Yeonli. Neither fully communicates their feelings. This is where the drama becomes emotionally painful. Instead of dramatic villains ruining the romance, the real enemy is emotional fear, timing, and poor communication. The characters continuously miss the opportunities to reconcile. Jinran often appears cold and emotionally distant, but beneath that exterior, he constantly protects Yuanli in subtle ways. Yuanli, meanwhile, refuses to forgive easily because she believes he abandoned and hurt her emotionally. The tension drives almost the entire drama. After the time jump, the drama shifts into adulthood, careers, office politics, financial pressure, marriage expectations, and emotional exhaustion. This scene is where 10 years late becomes more mature than many romantic dramas. The characters are no longer idealistic students, they become adults carrying the emotional scars. Yonli becomes more independent and career focused. Jinran becomes successful but emotionally isolated. The drama here portrays adulthood realistically. Friendships becomes distant, people settle for less in relationships, and emotional choices becomes really complicated. The best scenes in the dramas are one of the drama greatest strength is silent emotional acting. Many scenes between Jinran and Yuan Li involve almost no dialogue, yet the tension is obvious, lingering eye contact, interrupted conversations, emotional restraint, and hidden pain. Shondu especially performed these scenes brilliantly. His character rarely says what he truly feels, but his facial expressions communicate regret and longing constantly. The second main lead storyline is emotionally devastating. Zheng Zi genuinely loves Zhongli in a subtle and sincere way. There is a painful scene where he prepares to propose after believing Yonli has finally moved on from Jinran. But emotionally, Yonli still belongs to Jinran. This creates one of the drama's strongest themes. Sometimes the better person still loses. The drama handles the love triangle with maturity instead of turning the characters into villains. A memorable emotional sequence occurs when Jinran and Yonli become trapped together at work. The scene works because years of unresolved emotions suddenly surface, tension replaces the normal conversation, and both characters are forced to confront the lingering feelings. Atmosphere is emotionally suffocating in best way possible. The reunion scenes, finally after long separations, carry the enormous emotional weight. Unlike typical romantic reunions filled with instant happiness, 10 years late shows awkwardness, emotional walls, resentment, and longing. The characters feel older, emotionally damaged, which makes the story more believable. The supporting cast gives the drama emotional warmth. Some side stories involve cheating, toxic relationships, financial dependence, and emotional insecurity. These arcs actually help expand the drama beyond romance and show how adulthood changes everyone differently. 10 Years Late is not a light romantic drama. It's a story about emotional regret, delayed love, and missed opportunities, and growing older with unresolved feelings. It succeeds because it feels emotionally human. The drama understands people love imperfectly, timing matters, and emotional wounds do not disappear quickly.